Today I'm going to show you a tip on how you can quickly polar align the mount for your telescope without being able to see Polaris, and while the sun is shining, for only a few dollars and some things that you may have already lying around the house. If you're using an equatorial mount, it's critical that you get it pointed towards the direction of north so that you can achieve a polar alignment. This is more critical if you're doing astrophotography, but also important for visual astronomy. I'm Trevor, the Night Sky Voyager, and today I'm going to give you some tips on how you can align your tripod and mount and telescope towards north during the daytime. For this tip, all you need is a yard or a meter stick and a compass that you can permanently affix to it in the center. We're going to use this to point our tripod in the north direction. However, there's one little additional trick to this. What we need to account for is the difference between true north, which is how the axis of Earth points towards the star Polaris, versus magnetic north, which is what makes your compass point towards north. There's a difference here, and it depends on where you're located. The difference between true north and magnetic north is called declination. And here where I am, near Cleveland, Ohio, it's about -8 degrees west. What's very important is that the compass that you have has this rotating outer ring, and that will allow us to account for this difference. So we're going to set it to north and then move it 8 degrees, and that will account for the difference between true north and magnetic north. The next step is to come up to our tripod and take our yardstick and compass and rest it flat against the leg of the tripod, and you can see that we are off from north. Next, we'll just simply pick it up and move the tripod in the direction that makes the needle point directly towards north. Right about there. As you can see, our compass is now pointed towards north, or true north, not magnetic north. And when the sun sets, we'll see that the polar alignment is very, very close to Polaris already. If your tripod and mount have an alternative arrangement where the two legs are towards the rear and the one is aligned in the center, you could simply take your yardstick and span it across those two legs to get your rough alignment. Another useful tip is, as you can see, I've written the magnetic declinations for some of my favorite observing locations right on this yardstick so that I don't forget them in the future. If you found this video on quickly polar aligning your telescope while you can't even see Polaris helpful, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel, Night Sky Voyager, for more tips and tricks related to amateur astronomy and telescopes. Thank you for watching.